Hi there, everyone. I hope you're staying safe and I hope you're staying healthy at home. I just want to say that Miss Katie and I really miss you guys, and we hope you'll be back this school year. But, as everything progresses, we don't know what's to come, but just know that we'll help you and support you as much as we can through online learning. I just want to give a quick little overview on Google Classroom for those of you who aren't as familiar with it. And maybe if you want to show your parents or your guardian, someone at home, so that they're able to help you through these times as well. So here, once you get signed in with your school email and your school password, you'll go to Google Classroom and you'll see your classes listed. Here are the classes that I teach. You should hopefully at this point already be enrolled in the classes that are on here for you. If you're not, your instructor would have sent you a little join class and it'll show up in the little bottom right corner. Make sure you click join so that you're enrolled so teachers can be up to date with you and that you know what's going on and you're turning in your assignments on time. But I'll go ahead and I'll click on this class. This is my modified English class. I just want to give a little overview. Up at the top here we have stream, classwork, people, and on my screen I have grades. That won't be on the student version, that's just on my version as the teacher. Stream, I consider it to be like Facebook. So if you go down here, share something with your class. You can see here on March 20th I shared, I hope you are all enjoying your break, we miss you, and there's a little YouTube link that you can open and watch. Students can comment on here or the teacher can comment on here. So really this is just an open feed where if you post something, all of your classmates can see it and your teacher can see it. So if you have a burning question or if you have something you think your peers might need help with as well, this would be a good place to post it so that way everyone can get their question answered. And again, I'll just show you a little example so I could share with the class. Hi everyone, and then I could continue with whatever I want to say. Can go down here and click post so all the students and the teachers can see this version. If we go back at the top here, you'll see classwork. So on my version you can already see all the assignments that I have posted. Your version won't have these until the day that these assignments come out, so they're scheduled for certain days to come out. In my class it's one day ahead of time. I'm not quite sure what other teachers are doing. It's most likely going to vary depending on your class, but we'll go ahead and we'll just click on one of these to kind of see how it's going. So we can see on my screen it says when it'll come out. Your screen it won't say this, but over here, due date, you can see when it's due. In my class, everything will be due on Saturdays. So each week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all of your assignments will be due on Saturday. But please work on the day when an assignment is scheduled and put out there, because I don't want you to fall behind, and our way of taking attendance is to make sure that you get your assignments done. So just keep that in mind. But here there might be a little description of the assignment. Otherwise, there will be a link. You can go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to Google Docs. So on Fridays, we independently read for 20 minutes and then we write a paragraph about what we read. So for students, they can just go down here, write whatever they read about. At the top here in the right corner, instead of this stuff, there will be a turn in button. So when you finish, make sure you click turn in, and then it'll ask you again in the middle of the screen, like, are you sure you want to turn it in? And hit that again. So make sure you click turn in twice. This document, though, only the teacher can see and the student. So I shared it with each student where we are the only ones who can go in and edit. Not everyone can see this. Then if we go back to Google Classroom, at the top here there's also people. So I'm not going to click on this just for confidentiality reasons, but there you will see the teachers listed and you will see each student that is in the course. You can email your peers or the teacher if you have any questions. please email myself or Miss Katie because we would love to keep you guys in the loop and update you as quickly as possible. So that's just a little background knowledge on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, again, please reach out to us. But I just want to give you a little tutorial so you're a little bit prepared and feeling okay on Monday. So thanks, guys.